Alexa, what's tea?
According to Wikipedia, tea is a drink that is popular all over the world. It is made by
That's not what I meant. Alexa, stop. She's lighting up over there, so I want to know, like, what's the notification? But anyway, hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning viewer, and if you are a first-time viewer, don't feel bad. You're not missing out on much. I only have 2 videos. Like, literally, this is my second video to date. My first video was 7 months ago. It was a review of my YSL Lulu in black with the gold hardware, size medium. And since then, it has easily become my go-to purse. But I had to give her a break, especially since, you know, we are transitioning into the colder months. We have Thanksgiving coming up, and then we have winter, and then we have New Year's. So we have to transition the style, honey, right? So for me, the vibe that I'm going for is just classic chic. I mean, stark, vintage, elegant, you know, fashion. Mainly like a very classic vintage look. That's what I would love to achieve. So with that being said, if you're somebody like me who loves a good go-to, then stay tuned and watch me unveil my winter go-to purse. So the bag that I am going to be unveiling is the black velvet Gucci Dionysus with antique silver hardware. And while the Gucci Dionysus is a very popular purse in certain hues and materials, the one that I am unveiling for winter doesn't necessarily get enough love, in my opinion, on YouTube, on a tube. Right? It doesn't sound as cool as like on a gram, on a UU. No? Okay, on YouTube. Yeah. And I think another reason for that is because Gucci Alexandra no longer makes the style of the bag. So that could be it. Like Gucci's not selling it anymore, period. So automatically I'm excited because hello, that's a vintage piece. Easily becomes a classic. Like it's not super trendy in my eyes. It is a beaut who can go into the category of timeless. So now, without further ado, let's get into it. If you watched my, I'll wait. They're disrespectful. Like, why would you start construction on a Saturday? Anyway, I'll just talk louder. So if you watched my last video, I spoke about the dust bag being a very integral part of um, maintaining your precious cargo, right? And your expensive cargo could prevent a lot of shenanigans from happening, believe it or not. Okay, we don't have time to be sending our purses off, or let's say you purchased your bag resale. You can't send that back to the store. You didn't get it from the store, right? So use your dust bag. Anyway, this is the vintage Gucci dust bag in this beautiful satiny, pillow soft looking material, right? And I absolutely love it compared to the newest dust bag material, which is like this recycled look, bamboo look. And I get it's probably eco-friendly, but for me and the vibes that I like to go for, this just does it. It's just like sheer elegance, and it just makes me feel like inside is a very classic bag waiting for me. Anyway, boom, we got that out the way. Dust bag, use it, okay? You can wash it, so use it. Inside of the dust bag, oh, I get so excited. Oh, we have this beauty. Out she goes and into the spotlight where she belongs. My God, look at her. I mean, oh, wow, the noise is so disrespectful. So I want to make this quick because, I don't want to drag it out. I just want to show y'all like what I'm coming with this winter and how beautiful she is. And I just want to encourage you to tap into your vintage woman and let her shine. So this bag is a stunner. She has these sliding chain straps in this brushed antique silver finish. I'm loving the metal tones here. It's beautiful. That metal hardware, right? And she's in a jet black. I mean, I'm a New Yorker, so black is my go-to, but this is a spin on a black bag, on your everyday black bag, because here you have the highlights of patent leather, which give it a beautiful pop. And then, like I said, this antique silver hardware, which is so well crafted. Look at that. And then you have your classic GG. It's embossed so you could really see it. The patent leather is so shiny, and then she goes around the perimeter of the purse, and it's just a pop. It's a pop to a black bag, but it's still your black bag with a pop. Love this. Love that you can wear her longer or shorter. If you choose to carry her in your hand, like by your side or on your shoulder, then you use this one. And like I said, it has the sliding chain straps. So it doesn't have the hole that most purses have, where one chain falls into it. So you can see it has the loop hooks. Anyway, getting into her structure. She's so well made. She stands up with a lot of support, which is great. We have this push to open button on the side. And once we open her, you can see the rest of, or the whole of the patent leather flap that provides the accent when we close the velvet flap. Oh, how could I forget to mention this is 100% velvet. This patent leather here, this patent leather flap opens up with a leather interior, and there's a lot of space in here. You could put your phone in here, your card wallet, but I choose to leave that as is so that the bag can maintain its structure. Now inside unveils a very roomy bag with a gorgeous suede interior. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a beautiful tan suede color. We have 3 large compartments, including a zip pouch, which is great. You know what I started doing? I started lining my purses. So like you could take a dust bag, even if you have a smaller one, or the dust bag for your purse, and you can just like tuck it in like the first compartment and the last compartment if you have an extra dust bag, or just line it with something so that, you know, the interior remains intact. But anyway, it's such a roomy, such a spacious purse, which is a plus, seeing as this bag is close to $3,000. You want a purse, especially if it's going to be your everyday or your go-to bag. You want it to be able to accommodate your belongings. And you know, as ladies, we like to carry along some things that we just really don't need, right? But it's always still good to have. Anyway, moving quite along. Aside from that, it's just nothing to see here but beauty. This is leather here, and then when we close her up, we've got that clasp there, that magnetic clasp, and that's really it. She's so pretty. I can't wait to show her off this winter. And also, another selling point is that despite the fact that she is this luscious, velvety beauty of a purse, she does not attract a lot of lint. And I can attest to that because I am such a stickler for like the little things. If anything is out of place, I'm taking something back. I can't speak for a lot of other brands whose material attracts a lot of lint and lint balls, but for this particular bag from Gucci, I mean, it was so well crafted. I mean, look at her. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my God. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I covered everything. If you are thinking about purchasing a Dionysus, they do have smaller versions of the bag and different materials now. Like they have leather, and then they have your classic tan with, you know, the classic Gigi logo, what have you. I also have this bag in a beautiful like blue, like a velvety teal with like the prettiest gems around the tiger head. But anyway, I'll save that for another time. But yeah, this and that bag might be my winter go-to. Oh, giving me the blues. Oh, I love. Nah, I like that. I like that a lot. Yeah, Winter Wonderland, giving me the blues. Yes, it's my go-to. Can't wait for winter. I mean, even though I'm in LA, it's like I hope to be able to do some traveling to, you know, where I can get some brisk winter air in my system. But anyway, that's it for the video. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I mean, you know what to do. It's YouTube. Do what you want to do. You feel me? But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And, you know, comment. Let me know what you thought, what you're thinking. If there's anything you'd like to see, if you'd like for me to cover, then hit me up. Bye.